question number 1, C part. In rectangle ABCD, okay, in rectangle ABCD, so you know that A, B, C and D. Either you write anti-clockwise or you write clockwise, but you cannot write in zigzag that A, B and C and D. If you are writing it, either write it anti-clockwise or clockwise. Diagonal BD is given 26 centimeter, and the cotangent of angle ABD, that is cot of angle ABD, is given 1.5. You need to find the area and the perimeter of rectangle. So cot of angle ABD, that means this angle is taken. Since we all know that each interior angle of rectangle is 90 degree, so we have a right angle triangle ABD in which one of the trigonometric ratio of one angle is given and one of the side is also provided to us. Since 26 centimeter is opposite to 90 degree, this is hypotenuse. Now from our knowledge we know that the cot of angle is base upon perpendicular. It is the reciprocal of tan. Now we are considering this angle, so side opposite to angle is perpendicular. This will be base. So cot of angle ABD can be written as AB upon AD. AB upon AD, which is equal to 1.5. Or you can remove this point 10, 5, 3, 2, or AB by AD is equal to 3 by 2. Since it is a ratio, when we will convert into real number, let AB is equal to 3A and AD is equal to 2A. This is 3A and this is 2A. Now in this right angle triangle ABD, applying Pythagoras theorem, we get square of BD is equal to AB square plus AD square. Now BD is given 26 square, AB 3A square plus 2A square. 26 square is 676. 9A square plus 4A square, or 676 is equal to 13A square, or A square is equal to 676 by 13. Now since it is a square of 26, so 26 into 26 divided by 13, 13 to 26, or A square is equal to 13 into 2 into 2. So A will be plus minus 13 into 2 into 2, or 2 root 13. Neglecting the negative value, as we all know that the side of the rectangle cannot be negative. From this we can easily find out the value of AD, which is, say, the length of the rectangle. AD is 3 times A, the 3A, that is 3 into 2 root 13 is 6 root 13. Then AD is equal to twice of A, 2 into 2 root 13, which is equal to 4 root 13. Now we need to find out the perimeter as well as area. So for area, we all know that the area of rectangle is the product of their adjacent sides. So product of their adjacent side, that is 6 root 13 into 4 root 13. 24 into 13. We can easily multiply 24 into 13, 3 4 12, 6, 7. 312 centimeter square. For the perimeter, twice the sum of their adjacent sides. So twice 6 root 13 plus 4 root 13, which is equal to 2 times 10 root 13, or it is 20 root 13 centimeter. Now the mark distribution. 1 mark will be given to you when you apply this concept that cot of angle ABD is based upon perpendicular, that is AB upon AD is equal to 1.5, or AB upon AD is equal to 15 upon 10, that is 3 by 2. Another mark you will receive when you find the value of this variable A1 with all these calculations. Then 1 mark for finding the area and 1 mark for finding the perimeter. Got it, Peter? Okay. Question number 2A part. Now it's a very important question. It is conceptual as well as application based question. Say we have been provided with a triangle ABC where it is right angled at B and an altitude is dropped from B to AC. One of the side that is given 8 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, and they are asking cos of angle ABD. Okay, let's check it out. Triangle ABD, and we need to find out the cos of this angle, this one, and we have only one side. So as to find the trigonometric ratio, we